cordless drill and an Allen key make anchor removal a breeze. A few taps with a rubber mallet will break the bond between the concrete and the old tile. Thoroughly remove all debris from the vacant cavity. A vacuum or whisk broom work equally well. Remove and discard the hexagonal anchors from the new tile. Save the security fasteners to reset the new tile. Precision engineering allows for a tight fit, so it's necessary to massage the new tile in gently with a rubber mallet. Working from one side to the other, reinstall the tamper-proof fasteners. Then stand back and admire a job well done.